SpongeBob wears pants and a bow tie. Not exactly the luckiest look, but with his lucky tie, all bad luck disappears. Now SpongeBob can avoid disasters like a pro and even impress the toughest customers. But as soon as he gets home and takes off the tie, everything goes wrong. The next morning, things get even worse. SpongeBob's lucky tie is gone. No matter how hard he looks, he can't find it, and he still has to go to work. Now everything goes horribly wrong. Quite the opposite. The always unlucky Squidward suddenly becomes the luckiest guy in Bikini Bottom. He seems to have gotten all of SpongeBob's good luck. Patrick suggests trying to find a new lucky item, so SpongeBob searches everywhere. But bad things just keep happening to him. SpongeBob couldn't believe his eyes. Squidward had not only grown a full head of hair, but he also became a star. Even his annoying clarinet was suddenly loved by everyone. This only made SpongeBob feel worse. Just when he starts crying, the lucky tie finally appears. It turns out it had been inside SpongeBob the whole time. As soon as he puts it back on, SpongeBob's luck returns, and Squidward turns into that unlucky guy again. SpongeBob wears...
I have no life.
Enjoy a beach getaway.
What happens if the continents and oceans switch places? Oceans are way deeper than continents at all, so just swapping the high and low points creates a result that's wet and boring. Let's drain 90% of the water so we can see the old coastlines again. Now we can explore this inverted world. Pacifico, a supercontinent 5 times the size of Africa, is home to the mighty Mariana Mountains and their highest point, Mount Challenger. Our lowest point, Everest Deep, plunges almost 9 kilometers below sea level, and the Mid-Atlantic Canyon rips the world from pole to pole. But what about life? Well, the world's highest city is now the lowest. Bolivia's El Alto is over 4,000 meters below the waves. Most cities are completely flooded. Meanwhile, our new oceans are a sludgy mess.
Which continent would win if all continents went to war? Firstly, South America might join with North or get invaded due to its lack of large militaries or nuclear power. Similarly, Oceania would succumb to Asia's massive militaries. Africa would be the goal of both Europe and Asia because of its resources. However, it has over 2 billion people, so it would surely put up a huge fight. If Europe wins the fight, then the war would likely result in a stalemate because all 3 continents would be immensely strong and have nuclear capabilities. However, if Asia wins, it could encircle and invade Europe while sparing the nuclear-armed countries. After this, there would either be peace due to the Atlantic Ocean or an outright nuclear war which no one would win.
This supercontinent will change the face of the Earth. A new supercontinent, Amasya, is expected to form on Earth in approximately 250 million years. According to geologists, it will rise from the
Let's time travel to when continents were on the move. Before Pangea, Earth had some super cool supercontinents. First up, Rodinia, 1.3 billion years ago. Imagine almost all land.
What would happen if the world's original supercontinent came back? This is Pangea.
You've heard of super.
Quite a lot of people have